Hi YouTubers. So today is fridge day. I'm gonna have a look at why it's not working. If there's any use three-way fridge experts, then by all means please comment, please send me some advice. I don't have a clue, but looking inside it looks okay. So how do I check to make sure the fridge is working when it's freezing outside anyway? I've got the lights on, I'm on site. Let me just, so we've got this switch here, which looks like, I'm gonna just do some video inside. That is connected to a wire that goes down here. And that feeds all the way down the trunking. Yes. There's much more here. I open this cord here. That's the main wires. One's probably going to that plug there. That's coming down, I'm guessing, all the way from the controller into this cupboard, into the fridge. I'm guessing. Got the fridge set to main. There's there. It's an old one. I'm guessing I'm going to just have to pull it out and see. It's dirty inside, but so the first thing I did was I've taken off the grills and gonna have a look inside. And as you can see, it's okay. Just put some light on there. Looks quite clean, and I'm not quite sure. There's the gas pipe, and then down here, I'm sure that's where the liquid is held. Right. So yeah, there you go. Looking for some ideas. If you got any ideas on how I can test my fridge, how I can, things I should be looking for, top tips on how to repair them, how to get them out. I've searched YouTube. There's a very limited video on them, unfortunately, for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, any ideas, then yeah, let me know. Comment below and subscribe and like and do all that. But yeah, the fridge has beaten me. Just can't seem to get it working.